Flytimes 85 kit installation instruction. Note the naked O3 frame groove position. Before installation, we can use M1.6 by cross screws to fix O3. Start installing the O3 lens, paying attention to distinguish the up and down directions. After both screws are installed, you can adjust the lens to a suitable angle. We started to organize the cables and install the naked O3 on the body. Pay attention to the orientation of the O3 and check whether the cables are pinched. Insert the O3 power cable to help secure the O3. Use the cable fix bar to plug into the naked O3's camera socket. Use a flat nylon nut to insert into the gap between the FC shock wall and the BRO3. The corresponding side is also the same as the previous step. Turning to the other side, first we need to sort out the O3 power cable. Once everything is sorted, press the naked O3 with your hands and remove the M1.6 by its screws we installed at the beginning. Press hand tight and insert the screw. The same goes for the other side. Now the back of naked O3 is completely fixed to the base plate. Install the O3 dedicated antenna base on the bottom plate and tighten the screws. Use M2 X10 screws to secure. Start installing the antenna, paying attention to the order in the video. There are strict requirements for the placement of the antenna interface to avoid damage. Next, we install the bottom. Use M1.6x8 screws to fix it. The screws do not need to be tightened until the next step. Take out another structural part with the word IPX. Insert it from one side, underline the holes.